Drama for Winter Night by Langston Hughes. Drama for Winter Night. It's a very beautiful poem by Langston Hughes. In this poem, he depicts the pitiable condition of a beggar who has nowhere to go. You can't sleep here, my good man. You can't sleep here. This is the house of God. The usher opens the church door and he goes out. The poor beggar was sitting outside the church, and then the usher, he comes outside and he tells this poor beggar, you cannot sleep here. This is not the place for you to sleep. You please go away from here. You cannot sleep here. Then the poor beggar goes in a nearby a car, and then the chauffeur comes to him and he tells, you can't sleep in this car, old top, not here. If Jones found you, he'd give you to the cops. Get the hell out now. This ain't home. You can't stay here. The chauffeur opens the door and he gets out. The pitiable condition of the beggar is aggravated by the fact that the person from the church, he has told him to get out from outside the church's premises, and now he cannot get a place even in the car. And from here also the chauffeur tells him to just go away, otherwise he may be banished from there with nowhere to go. It is a very stark depiction of the social reality that a beggar is homeless, shelterless, and has no place to go, and how rude the society can be towards a person who has no assets. Lord, you can't let a man lie in the streets like this. Find an officer, quick, send for an ambulance. Maybe he is sick, but he can't die on this corner. Not here, he can't die here. Death opens a door. So the beggar goes and he sleeps in the street. But again the people tell, you cannot sleep here. Go, find an officer, send for an ambulance. Here we see the fake sympathy of the people. They just do not want the beggar there anywhere near their sight. And what do they say? Maybe he is sick, but now he cannot die on this corner. Not here. He can't die here. Death opens a door. So, death is the last resort for the poor beggar. Death is the only place which will welcome him with open arms. So, what does the beggar say? Oh God, let me get by Saint Peter. Let me sit down on the steps of your throne. Let me rest somewhere. What did you say, God? What did you say? You can't sleep here. Bums can't stay. Now you just see the mental condition of the beggar, the delirious condition of the beggar. He is deeply in a mental state of anguish. He says, oh Lord, please give me some place to sit down, some place to rest. God, people say I can't stay here, I can't sleep near the church, I can't go in the car. Where should I go? What should I do? Oh God, where should I go? I'm homeless. Oh God, at least give me some place. Then the people, they find the beggar. What they say? The man's raving. Get him to the hospital, quick. He's attracting a crowd. He can't die on this corner. No, not here. So the people won't let him rest in peace, even in death. They say this man is blabbering. He's in a mental state of anguish and he's just blabbering. We should get him to the hospital quick. And he's attracting a crowd. He cannot die on this corner. No, not here. He should be immediately taken to the hospital. Then this is what happens to the beggar. So what we find is that Langston Hughes has beautifully presented a universal phenomenon. How people who are helpless, homeless, shelterless, how they are shunned by the society, how they are kept in a very apathetic condition. So, though Langston Hughes writes for a limited audience, but this poem has a universal appeal. I hope you like the explanation of the poem, dear students. Thank you.